Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to learn how to mark multiple orders as paid, perfect for those who want to keep track of their orders online for the orders that happen offline. Here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales and go to Orders. Select the order or orders that you want to mark as paid. Once you're done selecting, click on More Actions here, and then click on Mark as Paid. A pop-up confirmation will appear. Update the payment statuses to keep track of orders that have already been paid. Once you're good and ready, click on Mark as Paid, and it should successfully reflect here on their payment status column. And that's it. That's how easy and fast it is to mark multiple orders as paid on your Wix dashboard. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.